In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage Copilot in Excel to improve your financial data analysis. This walkthrough will guide you through the process of opening Excel with Copilot, uploading your data, and analyzing it for meaningful insights. So, let's dive right in and enhance your spreadsheet experience. First off, we'll start by opening Excel with Copilot enabled. If you're not familiar with Copilot, it's an AI-powered feature designed to assist you by offering deeper insights and handling complex tasks more effortlessly. To ensure it's enabled, check your Excel settings under the Add-ins section to confirm the Copilot feature is activated. Once that's confirmed, open a new spreadsheet or the existing document you're planning to work with today. Now it's time to upload your financial data or existing spreadsheets into Excel. You can do this by navigating to the File menu and selecting Open. From here, choose the specific data file you wish to analyze. Excel supports various file formats, so whether your data is in a CSV, Excel workbook, or another compatible format, you should be able to upload it without a hitch. Remember, the clearer your data is organized, the better Copilot can assist in deriving insights. So take a moment to ensure your dataset is clean and well structured. Having uploaded the necessary data, you can now ask Copilot for analysis, trends, or even forecasting based on your financial information. To do this, locate the Copilot assistant on your Excel toolbar, typically on the right-hand side, where you can easily access it. Enter prompts like analyze trends, forecast next quarter, or provide data insights in the input box. What's remarkable about Copilot is its ability to comprehend natural language queries, making it more intuitive to get the results you need. Copilot will then process your request and generate detailed reports or visualizations in response. Depending on your query, this could encompass trend graphs, forecasting models, or comprehensive analytical summaries. It's worth noting that the depth and accuracy of these insights hinge on the quality and extent of the data you've uploaded initially. So prepare to be amazed by the complexities Copilot can unravel with your spreadsheets. Lastly, take some time to review these AI-generated reports carefully. Go through the data visualizations or summaries presented by Copilot to ensure they align with your expectations and business context. You might find areas where further detailing or a deeper dive is necessary, and luckily you can always go back to Copilot with additional queries or data for refinement. This review step is crucial as it allows you not only to validate the AI's output, but also to gain a robust understanding of your financial